Hello everyone, you're welcome back to our channel. We are doing great. If you are new on this channel, you are absolutely welcome. My name is Abiola and I am the Olori of the Cat family. Thank you so much for clicking that video. Yes, in today's video I'm going to be showing you this heart-shaped cake I made that went wrong. So if you want to know where it went wrong, keep watching, don't skip it. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, that will tell you whenever we upload a new video. And if you enjoy this video at the end of it, please like, share and leave us your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. So let's get right into the video. So guys, I think this is where it all started. This is actually margarine and not butter. I think I was supposed to get butter for this baking. I was so much in haste, I went to the store and I bought something. So it was when I later saw that it was margarine and not butter. Then from there I added powdered sugar. This is half cup of powdered sugar. Then after that I used my stirring stick to just mix it a little bit so that when I'm using the mixer it doesn't splash everywhere and I won't be making a mess. I mix continuously for about 10 minutes, and the basic thing I know is that the color will change from yellow to something off-white and it will double in size, in quantity. Be sure to use a bowl that is deep so that when you mix it doesn't splash everywhere and you don't make a mess. That's why I'm using this bowl. You can see the batter is so small inside the bowl, but I prefer that so that I don't make a mess everywhere. At this point, I added my milk. I already warmed this milk in the microwave and I give it a little mix. Then I added my eggs. So this is where I add all the liquid ingredients. Then I mix for another 3 to 5 minutes. So I started adding my dry ingredients, which is a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and nutmeg is also a quarter teaspoon. Then I mix this for some seconds to incorporate into the batter. Then I also added my flour. That's about 2 cups of flour, which is already sifted as it is written on the package, so I'm not sifting it anymore. It's already sifted. So I added 2 cups to the batter. Yeah, that's it. The oats pre-sifted. So then I mix this in. At this point, it was making a lot of mess, so I had to reduce and mix again a little bit before turning it on to mix properly. So this is not the consistency I was looking out for, so I needed to add some more milk so that it will get more, I don't know what to call it now, but you know what I mean. It will be more softer so that when it bakes it doesn't get so hard. I like the consistency at this point, so this is what I am looking out for. And if you want it to be softer than this, you can go ahead and add more milk, but I think it's perfect for me here. I don't want it to be too soft. So then I went ahead to just arrange the pan and to get set for baking. So I decided to use my air fryer, which I think this is the second point I got it wrong. I wasn't supposed to use the air fryer. I set the air fryer to 370, and I think the normal temperature for the baking should be 350. So I think that was where it went wrong again. And after that, I started prepping my icing. So I also used the margarine to prepare the icing, and I added half cup of sugar. Ziploc bag. This is how we do it. If you are not a professional, you don't have the nozzle, this is just a perfect way of decorating. Maybe you want to write something, you want to draw a flower, whatever you want to do, this is just a perfect way of doing that. So guys, this is the cake. Can you see it's not looking nice at all? That particular one, I think it fell while I was putting it inside the hair fryer. This is where it totally went wrong. Can you see that, guys? It's not looking attractive and it's so hard. You can see how hard it is. So, but I don't give up. I still went ahead. I decorated one of it, so wait for more. I got sprinkles to make it a little more attractive and beautiful, but it also went wrong while doing that. I added too much of it, and the love I wrote there was all covered with sprinkles. So I just did it that way, and I went back and wrote love again on it, which wasn't as good as the one I first wrote. So that is it about the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you see anything that went wrong while I was making this, please leave it in the comment section. I would really appreciate it. I think I'm going to do a second part of this. I'm going to correct everything that went wrong, and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching, as I said. And if you are here to subscribe to this channel, you are still watching, oh, please do subscribe. I really appreciate it. Join the family. So thank you for watching, and like this, please like it at the end of it, and then don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can see what I am doing. I am writing love you over it all over again, just trying to be creative and do something else with it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. As I said, turn on your notification bell, that will get you notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, see ya, catch ya in the next video. Bye.